fishing and outdoors addicts out there. This is Roy Dallas bringing you another Yeehaw. I'm here in Mexico on a little bit of a family vacation. I've done way too much drinking, way too much partying, way too much eating, and now it's time to grab the handy dandy fishing rod right there and head to the beach, go for a long ass walk, try to catch some fish, try to make a new video for you guys to see. Let's see what species we can catch while we're out there. I'll see you guys in the water. It's gonna be a long walk to the fishing hole. I got my backpack on, a whole bunch of bait in there, artificial, and if that doesn't work well, I guess we're gonna have to find something soft like worms or clams or something the ocean's willing to give up to get me to catch some fish and bring it to you guys here on YouTube. Oh shit, check this guy out. Come here, come on over here and say hi to all the people on YouTube. Guys, catch a little glimpse of the iguanas. Down the stairs we go. All right, welcome to the beach, the Mexicanos beach. Well, for those of you who are interested, I'm just to the south, I believe it is, of Playa del Carmen, in one of them resort hotels on a family trip, and I'm gonna take some time, try to put something together for you guys, try to catch one of them fish. Well, it's been what, about 20 minutes of walking this beach, and I'm probably a little bit less than halfway to the fishing spot. Isn't that wonderful? I'm sweating my nutsack off, and of course I didn't bring any water with me either, which was brilliantly smooth. That son of a gun got the fish before I did. Oh boy. See what we can get around here. Whew. Oh, look at all these little birdies. I must have scared them. Aw, shucks. Get the fuck off my fishing spot, you little twit. Come on, Mr. Fishy, Fishy, Fishy. Come to Papa Dallas. Okay. Let's move a little back here. All right, let's try another spot. I think it's maybe a bit too shallow here. Well, I just had a quick chaser here. I see some bait fish. I see some more bait fish over here. Let's see if I can weasel my way in here somehow. Weasel my way into the fucking hospital somehow too, with these razor sharp rocks they have here on the beach. Oh yeah, I got something's chasing there. I thought I saw something giving chase. A school of something giving chase. Try that again. Maybe they were just sniffing out the bait. Cover water, they say. Cover as much water as you can. So let's do that. Looks the same to you guys, but I was down there before. Now I'm over here. This looks a little bit deeper, but I see a ton of bait fish here, and you know what they say. Where there's bait fish, there's gotta be some lurking carnivores. Oh, I've had a strike. I've had a strike right here close to the rocks. We're gonna try her again. Hey, snap ahead. Get off the rock. Get the fuck out of here. Something gave it a nice whack over there. Oh, jocks. I just saw 3 huge jocks. As soon as that wave, oh, there's a bunch of fish here. There's 3 huge jocks here cornering the bait fish in. Let me quickly switch to whoa, those were big jocks. I just saw 3 massive jocks. See if I can match the hatch here with something out of this box. Get the fuck out of the way. Oh God. No! Oh, you stupid. Trust me, you don't want to hook yourself on that. Go away, dumbass. Go on, get out of here. That's not a fish. And this isn't the bird catching show. There we go. I better move along to a different spot because these dumbasses here are gonna get themselves hooked. And then I'm gonna get ripped in the comments for hooking a goddamn pelican. Alrighty. Go away! No! Stupid! Hey! Get out of here! Get out of here! Go away! Hey, bird brain! It's not a fish! Jeez! How stupid are you? Oh, good! Good! Yeah, I better get out of here. Somebody's gonna get hooked. I just hooked that guy right there, and somehow he managed to get himself off, but I'm not gonna fish here anymore because, well, what you guys just witnessed is me hooking into a pelican, and I decided to leave the spot because I don't really feel like manhandling one of them and getting the hook out of his mouth or possibly his gut. So I'm gonna go to another spot, whatever I could find. Try here. I see some sort of weird performance over here in the water. So I'm gonna cast right to that and see what happens. Of course, what happened is I just got soaked. That's just what happened. And a massive fish, looks like a swordfish. Are you guys fucking joking me? I'm not moving again. I'm not moving again. You're gonna get it. I'm telling you, you're gonna get it. It's not a fish. Look at him. Look at him. I just pulled my rod back to take a cast, and he's thinking, let me get this fish, it'll be an easy meal. Hey, bird brain. All right. You think you're smart? Now let's see. Now let's see. Now let's see how fucking smart you are. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Now you got an issue. Now we got two issues. See, I told you not to do that. I told you not to do that, right? What did I say? What did I say? You stupid fucking bird. Well, now you're fucking double hooked. Now you're fucking double hooked. Now what are you gonna do? Jesus. Now what are we gonna do? Huh? Come here. Hey. What am I gonna do with this guy? I gotta get him off the hook, and I'm afraid he's gonna try to bite me. I guess I'm just gonna have to take that risk, else he's gonna die. Well, I'm gonna have to grab him, because there ain't no other way. God damn it. Did you have to fucking do that? That is not cool. Bet you're never gonna do this again. Jesus. Christ, buddy. Okay. That's not cool. No, don't move. Wait, 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 wait. God damn it. Okay. All right, I got him out. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Hang the fuck on. All right, get out of here. Jesus. All right, we got a video catching pelicans. Woo! I'm gonna get roasted in the comments. Well, there he is, all happy. He's off the hook, although he's gonna have a sore mouth for a while. Let me tell you, he's not gonna be repeating that particular behavior in the short term anyways, but remember, his brain is probably the size of a friggin' peanut. Obviously, that wasn't my intention. I moved away from them, as you saw earlier in the video, as to not hook them. But I didn't want to leave the area entirely because I saw the jack, but now I'm gonna, because I don't really feel like hooking into another pelican. I was a little nervous there. I thought they were gonna be a lot stronger than they actually were. However, that turned out not to be the case. He didn't really try to bite me. Grabbing him by the top of the neck or the head. I tried not to squeeze too hard so not to constrict his breathing pipe. By the way, guys, this video was made exclusively with my Samsung cell phone, my Samsung S9 cell phone, as well as my GoPro 4. So you don't need a lot of equipment to make a great video. If you're out, you know, just doing a family trip or something like that, you want to, you know, do some fishing, strap on a camera, use your cell phone, and get some great images out there. There goes the pelican. Bet you that guy learned his lesson. Anyway, it was not my intention to find a pelican today, or catch a pelican, or hook a pelican, or anything of that nature. But the gritty little bastards figured he'd get a free meal, and what he got was a sore lip. Anyways, I'm out of here, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Oh yes, did I fail to mention, please give me the thumbs up, leave a few comments, and subscribe to the channel. Until the next time, boys and girls, Dallas out.